These three are not shown in the Beast Wars series, these forms technically, but the names of these three are actually stated on some of the episodes of Beast Wars. This is si Kadakon. Ayan, si Kadakon. This is si Clamp. And then this is Ramhorn. Si Kadakon is, his beast mode is a cicada or kuliglig. This one looks like a lobster. And this one, it's a beetle. And each of them have their own robot modes as well. They could combine into a more powerful combiner, which is called Tripedacus. Ayan siya, si Tripedacus. In Beast Wars nung 90s, for sure, may naalala ko yun na merong tatlong beings na parang nagsusupervise dun sa Beast Wars. And they are the Tripedacus Council. If I'm not mistaken, they made corresponding Beast Wars for each of them. And these are these three. These are the Tripedacus Council. I don't think that they are Maximals or Predacons. Correct me if I'm wrong. But dahil nga mas parang higher yung ranking nila, pero they are portrayed as somewhat like the bad guys sa Beast Wars franchise. However, if you will go to the Japanese version of these three, these are, they somewhat like made a parody of these three versions. And sa Japan, ang tawag sa kanila is Jointrons. So sa Jointrons, instead of them being bad guys, they're actually good guys. They are affiliated with the Maximals. So, nung na-introduce sila doon sa napanood kong clip, para silang mga Meksikano, parang banda na joyful and merry. Parang happy-go-lucky sila. And magkakapatid sila doon sa Japan. This one is called DJ sa Japan. This one is called Gimlet, the lobster. And this one, si Ramhorn, is known as Motor Arm. And instead of Tripedacus, they are called Tripledacus. Tripledacus. Parang parody nga, original name niya sa USA. So, sa USA, bad guys na mga to. Pero sa Japanese version, they are actually good guys.